Last night I was having a meltdown. Today I'm cleaning my room and getting myself back together. I tried to film last night. I was going to do a cool little try and get it girl night routine because I've been looking at ChatGPT and I was kind of talking bad about ChatGPT for a while, but now I'm like, you know what, it's actually helping, and it's helping give ideas when you're kind of like stuck. It's not completely taking your whole brain away from working, it just helps a little bit. I tried getting this like ring light to work because I'm going to be trying out a different camera and things. I've noticed the lighting is like really bad, so I wanted to use a ring light and it didn't work, so I just like broke down, had a meltdown instead. Yay! So I've done really well hiding the puffiness. And today the weather is raining and stormy, so I'm not trying to match that mood. I need to keep my moods up. Also, exciting news, my song Pretty Lies is out. Link in the description if you want to listen to the song. I haven't actually cleaned my wardrobe in about a week because I just look at it and I get overwhelmed. So I'm doing it today. Pat on the back for me for doing my wardrobe. So there's a lot. I mean, I've just started this, but this is what we are working with. So I don't want to bore you watching me clean this. So I'm gonna quickly put some music on, fix this part of my room, and then I do need to go to the gym today. Next week I'm gonna be doing my nails, so even though we're trying to feel all good today, it's okay that they're not great. They're gonna be fixed soon. And I do need to do some fake tan tonight. Gonna do some fake tan tonight. So I will. I've got two different, so usually I use bonsai, but I got this one as well, which is loving tan. I heard that it wasn't that good, so I haven't tried it yet. I also didn't know that this camera doesn't film 4K. I don't know if I'm just like, my eyesight's bad and I was just thinking that, oh, it looks pretty good. But no, so I'm just gonna like fix all this up. I want it, because my perfectionism thing is getting pulled on, because to me it feels like if I can't make it look the best that I want it to, then there's no point doing it, which is stupid, but that's how my brain works. Anyway, oh, I got this really cute bag recently. I love it. I just want to feel girly because I mean I do have my little like makeup stuff on now, but I want to do it more and feel girly and have more bracelets and rings and things. So yeah, attempting all that. And next week I also am getting my hair done because it is very much faded. It looks so red right now. So excited. Anyway, I'm rambling on. I'm gonna get this done and then maybe you'll see me eating or going to the gym. I probably should go to the gym first. Okay. Goodbye. I just had a call for some music stuff and it went well and I'm excited. Anyway, I'm still cleaning, so I'll get back to that. I'm just got a bit of a rush of emotions. Which means the accents are coming out. I just did my bags area. Okay. Beautiful. That's all things I'm not keeping. This just needs to go back in here. Much better. I'll just check what the time is. Okay, I'm gonna get to the gym soon. The only thing, okay, I can't find the charger for these, which is upsetting. Okay, I'm gonna look for the charger, clean my room, get to the gym. Okay, I didn't film at all the rest of yesterday because I said I was going to do fake tan and then I didn't, and I kind of just stayed in, and yeah, it wasn't very it girl as what this whole thing was meant to be, but I'm carrying it on tonight because I'm about to self tan. I'm in my self-tan uniform. This is the little self-tan bag that I have. This is the new bottle that I just got. I use Bonsai because it's winter right now, so obviously, I mean, I don't tan anyway, but we want to look alive a little bit. I put this one on my face instead. I use different ones, I don't know. I've got an applicator, little one for my face, and then this is, I guess, for the back. But sometimes I don't really need it because I can reach. So I'm gonna do this. There's no point like showing me doing it because it's just I do it really quick and I know my routine. So I'll show you a little after. I'm having a protein pizza tonight, so I'm excited for that. I just got back from the gym, so very on theme. Let me go get some color on and then I will make my pizza. It's not gonna look good right now. Just excuse the bad appliance. Oh, that's actually quite bad. Oh no, that's actually a bit bad. It'll be fine. Hang on. Just quickly show you an update. I'm in all pink, I don't know why. The back. My hands I try to do as light as possible because I always get them really bad when they dry off. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. It's still drying, it's fresh. I'm gonna let that sink in, have my pizza, and go to sleep. Bye!